Adding your personal data. Create a username. It can be your real name or any you choose. Just remember it will appear in your personalized report. Enter your date of birth. You may choose to record your height and weight. To make sure the product is right for you, answer if you are using birth control containing hormones, hormone replacement therapy, or medications affecting FSH, and if you've had any surgery affecting your cycle or been diagnosed with PCOS. If you answer yes to any question, the product isn't suitable for you, as it relies on your natural FSH and cycle data. You can still use the app to track symptoms and may be able to use the product at a later time. Visit our website to find out more. Go to www.clearblue.com. Carefully read and answer the question about your cycles. Press the I button to see an example to help you answer. Enter the date your last period started, or you can answer I don't know. Set up reminders to take a test or log symptoms. Click Allow to enable reminders and notifications. And that's it. Check your data in the summary. Easily edit any answers if needed, then click Continue to finish.